Hey guys, and welcome to this video. As we have the holidays coming up, I did see quite a few new holiday collections, and this video is going to be one of those that I reviewed today. Now, if you are interested in seeing more of the new holiday collections, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so you can receive notifications as soon as those reviews are up. Now let's jump into this collection, which is called 9 Ways to Shine Cheek Wardrobe. So it does come in these 3 little trio packs, and each trio really includes a highlighter, a blush, and a third can really be a shimmer blush or a bronzer depending on how you want to use it, or even depending on your own skin tone. So I am going to quickly swatch and show you the shades in each of these trios. So let's start with the gold shade here. Now, I do like the packaging. It is a gold, not too shabby kind of a plastic packaging, and you can open the first shade from the top magnetic lid. The lid does include a mirror, as you can see here, and the rest of the shades start to really swivel out. And the shades from the top here for this gold pack are Frosty, Sleigh Bells, and Shimmering. So those are 3 very beautiful shades. Now here are the swatches, and the most loved shade here is definitely Sleigh Bells, as it is a matte rosy blush, but today I'm wearing Frosty as my highlighter shade, and that is basically to highlight the top of my nose and Cupid's brow. So it definitely works as a great highlighter even for the center of the eyes, or even just as an eyeshadow topper. Now let's move on to the next trio here that we have, and it is the Rose Gold trio, and this one actually does have a bronzer with it. The highlighter here is called Snow Kissed, the blush is Prize, and the bronzer is a warm toned bronzer called Peppermint Mocha. All 3 are extremely beautiful shades, and this is definitely my most favorite trio, and this is probably why I have Prize as my current blush, and I'm also wearing Peppermint Mocha as my bronzer, since it really warms it up and warms up the skin and makes it almost look summery. Now here are the swatches for the Rose Gold trio. Now the third and the last trio is in the gunmetal packaging, and it does include almost a warm toned highlighter shimmer shade, and it almost looks very bronzy, and it's called NYE, which makes sense because it is New Year's Eve with this shade. Next is this bright blush called Decked Out, which would be a great blush especially for deeper skin tones. And the third shade here is called Mistletoe. It's a very well pigmented, deeper blush shade. Now, since they all open as a wardrobe, I do think the packaging really makes a lot more sense, and the design makes great sense, especially if you're on the move and need to carry a little bit to meet a lot of needs. Today I am wearing NYE as my eyeshadow topper. Now these are all the shades in the collection of the 9 Ways to Shine. Now if you like this video and all my blabbering, then don't forget to smash that big like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. But until then, you take care, love yourself, and stay snow-kissed. Bye!